update on the construction of the new Garage 42 facility here in Acton. Erection of the new structure started 2 weeks ago, and as you can see, progress is going really quickly. It's only been 2 weeks since the erectors got on site and started putting the building up. This building is pretty interesting and a little unusual in how it's being built. It's using an innovative technique designed by a company called Canam, who's one of the leaders in building structural steel buildings. We actually went up and visited back in January the plant where the building was manufactured up in Canada and started to see our panels go through their production line. So it's a really cool system where we have these wall panels. In these stacks, there's 5 or 6 panels bundled together. These panels already have the steel structure in them, the vapor barrier, exterior siding, interior siding, and insulation in the panels. Kind of interesting, you can see over here just to the left of the people, there's a couple of window openings that actually have plastic on them. Those actually already have the windows in them as well. So it's a really cool system where you got this pre-manufactured building, but the quality is still up to a traditional custom steel building as well. By the end of next week, they should be done putting up the steel structure. They'll then start working on the roofing decking, tying up some of the loose ends, doing some of the trim work, the panels, completing the panel gaps. And then after that, at the beginning of May, we should start pouring the concrete slab in the warehouse area, start putting some of the HVAC up, some of the fire suppression, and then the 4 high car stackers, 47 of them, will start being installed at the beginning of the summer. Yeah, so once they're done erecting the structure at the end of next week, they'll come back and finish some of these last details. So this is where 2 panels have met each other. They'll tape up over to continue this vapor barrier, and then there's a siding detail that will go over here to finish the exterior of the building. Part of our idea around this location is to make this a cool place for our customers to come and hang out and to meet other members, hang out with them, maybe as a meeting spot to go out for drives. Something that's cool about this property as well is the fact that we have this brook that comes through the property, really kind of adding to the aesthetic of this place, being a little countryside, a little bit of a hidden hangout as well.